Dry brown leaves may look lifeless, but they're packed with carbon, nature's stored energy. This carbon is locked away, waiting for water and microbes to awaken it. Add moisture and a dose of microbes. No compost tea needed. This jump-starts decomposition, turning dead matter into living compost. Awaken your garden's sleeping giants and build healthy soil, naturally. The recipe is easy and uses what you already have. Clean, chlorine-free water, a simple sugar and a source of microbes. For every 5 gallons of water, add 1 cup of sugar, white, brown or molasses. The sugar fuels the microbes, not the plants. Next, add 1 cup of finished compost or earthworm castings. Both are packed with beneficial bacteria and fungi. Stir well to mix everything. No need to wait. Use the solution right away. Spread dry leaves in a layer 4 to 6 inches deep where you want compost. Sprinkle the microbial solution generously, making sure the leaves are damp but not soaked. Work in layers. Add more leaves, then more solution, until your pile is the desired size. This ensures every leaf gets activated, not just the top. The process is simple, fast, and sets the stage for rapid decomposition. Now your leaves are primed for transformation. As soon as the sugar-rich solution hits the leaves, microbes spring to life. Bacteria multiply rapidly, breaking down simple carbon compounds and generating heat. Fungi follow, spreading through the pile and tackling tougher materials like lignin and cellulose. You might spot white fungal threads, a sign decomposition is underway. Earthworms arrive, drawn by the microbial feast, burrowing and mixing the pile. Unlike traditional composting, there's no turning or waiting months. You're composting in place, creating a moist, living mulch that feeds the soil. By the next day, the leaves are darker, softer, and teeming with life. The journey from dry leaf to rich soil is dramatically accelerated. Weeks instead of a year. It all starts with one simple activation. This method works in any garden, beds, raised beds or containers. In garden beds, layer leaves and solution in autumn. By spring, the soil is dark, soft and full of life. In raised beds, create compost right in place. No need to buy or haul heavy bags. In containers, a layer of activated leaves acts as living mulch, retaining moisture and feeding roots. Earthworms thrive in this environment, aerating soil and leaving behind nutrient-rich castings. The result? Soil that's dark, crumbly and holds water better. Plant roots grow deeper and stronger, accessing more nutrients. Unlike wood chips, this living mulch feeds the soil food web as it breaks down. You're not just mulching, you're building living soil. The process is natural, efficient, and endlessly adaptable. Healthy soil means healthier, more productive plants. Living mulch is perfect for heavy feeders like tomatoes, squash and corn. As leaves decompose, they provide a steady, slow-release supply of nutrients. Keep adding thin layers of leaves and solution during the season to replenish the mulch and feed the soil. This creates a self-fertilizing, resilient system. Sunlight and warmth are still essential. This method works best when the ground isn't frozen. By mimicking nature's cycles, you build healthier soil and reduce your workload. In forests, no one turns the leaves. Nature sustains itself through growth, decay, and renewal. By activating this cycle in your garden, you grow more nutritious food with less effort. The secret to abundance is in the soil. Just follow nature's blueprint. Keep learning, observing, and let your garden thrive.